Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this Caribbean style rum punch mocktail. This is great for people who don't drink, so it's a non-alcoholic alternative to rum punch that's super easy to make. I'm so excited to share this with you guys, so let's get to it. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. First of all, I'm going to put that disclaimer out in case you missed the intro that this is a mocktail, so it's a non-alcoholic version of rum punch. So if you're someone who doesn't care for alcohol for whatever reason, or you just choose not to drink, maybe you're driving, you have health issues, doesn't matter what it is, this drink is for you. So the ingredients that you need, you're going to need some pineapple juice. You're also going to need some orange juice. I have some lime. In terms of the rum replacement, I'm using a rum alternative, which is alcohol free, so it has like a spicy taste to it. So that's what I'm using instead of typically you would use dark rum and light rum. I'm gonna also have my homemade grenadine syrup as well. So all you need to do now is to combine all of the ingredients. So you want to combine your orange juice, your pineapple juice, your rum alternative. You also want to combine your lime juice, and you also want to combine your grenadine syrup as well. Like I said, mine is homemade. Then once you add all of those ingredients, the only thing you need to do next is you just need to give it a good stir. I like to use a large bowl when I'm making this mocktail, but you can use a jug or a pitcher, whatever you want to use, you can just use that. So you just need to add the ingredients, and then you just want to stir them all together. In terms of your rum alternative, this is going to vary depending on where you live. So I'm based in the UK, so I was able to get, it's called clean R. I'm not sure if it's pronounced that way, but it has clean and then it says R on it, and I got that from Amazon. So depending on where you are in the world in terms of getting your alternative, then you'll need to look for something and then just stir that in. So once you've made your rum punch mocktail, the only thing you need to do now is to just serve it. So you can serve it with some ice, just pour it into glasses. You can have it neat like that. You can have some garnish like what I've done and just add some lime and some cherries on the top. Whatever you want to do, you can do that. Like I said, this is great for people who do not drink or abstaining from drink for whatever reason. Maybe you're driving, it does not matter. This drink is going to cater to your needs. Really simple and a really easy recipe that will give you that slight taste of alcohol without the booziness. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you on the other side.